Hello, West Point teachers. This video will show you the most efficient way of distributing the Priority Standards data tracking sheet to your students. You will want to start by going to Schoology and then go ahead and select the class that you would like to distribute the sheet to. So in this case, I'm going to need to distribute the sheet to 3 different courses, but I'm just going to distribute it to one course for now as an example for you. So I'm going to push this out to Writing Block 3. So we'll click Writing Block 3. I'm going to go to Add Materials, and then we'll need to add an assignment. So Add Materials, Add Assignment. And this is where things will become a little bit different than what you might be accustomed to, because we'll be using the Google Drive Assignments app. It's very important that you use the Google Drive Assignments app. Otherwise, you will have to have each student share their priority standard tracking sheet with you, and then you'll need to manually move the sheets into one folder in Google. By using the Google Drive Assignment app, all of the documents will be shared with both you and the student, and Schoology will automatically create a folder in Google Drive that will house all of those tracking sheets in one place. So we're going to name it Block 3 Priority Standard Progress Sheet. Actually, it would be Block 2 for me. I'll write Block 2. And then you do not need to add a due date. You will need to add a category. Otherwise, it will not allow you to create the assignment. So we'll simply choose Ungraded. And then we're going to click on, before we click Create, sorry, I confused myself. We need to go ahead and use the Google Drive Assignments app. So we'll click Google Drive Assignments. And then we need to find that data tracking sheet in Google. So the easiest way to do that is to type in the name of that sheet. So we'll go 1819 Priority Standard, and here it is. I see it popping up, Brown 1819 Priority Standard Progress Tracker. So we'll go ahead and click on that, click on Attach, and then the document will be uploaded to your assignment, and you can go ahead and click Create. At this point, the students would be able to access Schoology and then open up that document. I've already created this document and shared it with another class, and I would like to show you what this will look like in Google Drive. When you go to Google Drive, you will discover that once you create the assignment, Schoology is going to automatically create a new folder, and it will be entitled Schoology Google Drive Assignments. So we'll go ahead and open up that folder. And any assignment that you have created using that app is going to appear. So I'm going to click on Writing, Block 2. And this folder will not appear until after your students have started opening up the assignments. So if none of your students have opened up the assignments, if you just create the assignment and then go to Google Drive to check to see if that folder is there, you won't see it. You won't see any of the students' information until they have actually gone into Schoology and opened the assignment for themselves. And so what I'm showing you right now is my folder that I created for another class on Friday. And so they have already opened this. And so you can see here that what I have is a copy of the data tracking sheet for all of my students. And technically, the student and I both have editing privileges for all of these Google Sheets. And this is how you're going to distribute the data tracking sheet to your students.